we can do it. Okay. So see, wave pool. Nobody in the
And over there.
Water
And the little. How about we do the roller coaster first?
Yeah, maybe.
That one, then. How about that one, then that one? So that one what through there. That one don't work through there.
Yeah.
And if we do this, that one. Why there? It would be
We gotta wait for everybody though.
Yellow at last. Because we did yellow. Look. Yeah. On it with a
tall enough? Brett. Well, you want to go on the roller coaster?
Yeah. Seem to be testing it. Probably.
Is that open?
Not yet.
My
Here we
hands
go,
are
good.
clean.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Yeah?
I'm going to bed there.
You think so? Like, ah!
It wasn't right there. Whee!
Yeah.
You just hold on to these.
Yep. Like that.
Yeah. I got yours on to
What?
Maybe like a
Yep.
But and I do the fall off.
Yep. No, you won't. It's pretty safe.
What if like
What?
what if
Nobody's on it. Alright, here we go. Are you ready? Yeah. Here we go. Very fast. Drake insisted on it, and I got a video of it, so that little video is pretty cool. What?
What?
Yeah, you can if you want.
Do they help?
No.
There you go.
I will visit I'm not a bear board if I.
Yeah, you are.
No.
You're fine. It's all good.
I dare.
It's a jerky ride. Yep. Feel like you're gonna fall off the edge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not on you. Not on your side. It'd be like you are falling off in the bawah.
Yeah.
Oh! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Bumpity bump.
Woo!
Ouch.
Now that
Alright, ready?
they are the thoughts about someone. I point at me. I beat me. They were talking about me.
We're talking about you.
Probably
Why?
that they are talking and looking at me.
So you just assume it's you?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Yeah.
You want me to put my arm around you? Okay, would that be helpful?
What? Yeah.
Well,
I didn't know if that would be blocking it.
No, this thing has a wide angle.
it sounds like my dryer when it's almost done washing. I'm gonna be scared on the dryer. I will do. My siblings already know what I'm about to scream. 6, 7.
Are you going to Universal?
I don't know. That's why I don't know.
There's the airplane. I see an airplane. Now it's leaving. I'm scared. I also am scared. Oh, no, I'm not looking at
Line. Again, look down at your feet. Make sure we are 2 steps behind the yellow line.
Not
I know.
Miss in the flower swimsuit with the glasses talking to the dude in the camo hat. Sir in the camo. Can you guys make sure?
It kind of cut off somehow. I don't know how much out of it.
Or the dairy part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
But all the rest of the parts are all day.
yeah.
Yeah.
So you liked it?
Yeah. I
wow.
did a video. But
Got
did you?
somewhat. I think it cut off though. I don't know what happened.
Maybe it's like this.
We'll see how much it will video because it's being a punk and I don't know what's going on. It's some kind of weird air. Trying to give a feel of this park and this stupid thing doesn't want to record the whole time. I don't know what's going on. Huh.